The way that you put a hyperlink into a Word document, the first thing you do is select the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Go up to the top left side where it says Insert, click on that. Go over to where it says Link towards the center top, click on the two circles that are overlapping each other. And then all you do is type the web address of where you want the hyperlink to go to. I'm just going to type google.com. Click OK, and now it is a hyperlink. If you want to test it, if you put your mouse cursor over it, you'll see it says Control plus click. You hold down Control and left click, and there's your hyperlink. Thanks for watching.